Balantidium coli. Balantidium coli is a protozoan parasite, a single-celled microorganism covered with cilia, tiny hair-like structure, used for movement and feeding. It is the only ciliated protozoan known to infect humans, causing an illness called balantidiasis. Key information about Balantidium coli. So, what is it? First, a ciliate protozoan parasite lives in intestine of humans and animals, especially pigs, can cause diarrhea, abdominal pain, and sometimes dysentery or bloody diarrhea. Morphology. It is the largest protozoa parasite that infect human. Has two forms. First is trophozoite, active motile, pore with cilia. Second is cysts, round, resistant, infective form. How is it transmitted? Infection occurs by eating or drinking food water contaminated with cysts from the feces of infections, animals, or humans. The most common reservoir host is the pig. How Balantidium coli affects human and animals? In humans, Balantidium coli causes balantidiasis, leading to diarrhea, abdominal pain, and sometimes bloody stools. It can damage the colon and create ulcer. Severe cases may cause dangerous complications like intestinal perforation. In animals, most common in pigs, which often show no symptoms but serve as the main carriers of the parasite. Infective animals may occasionally develop diarrhea, weakness, and weight loss. Why does it affect humans and animals? Infection occurs by ingesting contaminated food or water containing feces from infected pigs or humans. Spread is faster in areas with poor sanitation, unsafe water, and improper waste disposal from animals. Areas with poor sanitation, close contact with pigs, contaminated water sources. Common symptoms of Balantidium coli is diarrhea, abdominal pain, sometimes blood or mucus in stool. Many infected individuals may be asymptomatic or no symptoms. How do you identify Balantidium coli? Balantidium coli size in weight mount. Trophozoites are characterized by their large size, 40 to 200, the presence of cilia on the cell surface, a cytostome, and a vein-shaped micronucleus, which is often visible and smaller, less conspicuous micronucleus. What is the habitat of Balantidium coli? The main habitat of the Balantidium coli is the largest intestine of its host, particularly the cesium and colon. The color of Balantidium coli is the greenish yellow, and they often have many flagella. What animals carry Balantidium? Balantidium coli, the sole ciliated protozoan known to infect humans, is predominantly a parasite of swine but also affects a range of domestic and wild animals including camels, cattle, and non-human primates. Balantidium coli has two developmental stages. First is a trophozoite stage and size stage. How do you diagnose Balantidium coli? Diagnosis is based on detection of trophocytes in stool sample from symptomatic patents or in tissue collected during endoscopy.